Hi friends, my name is Debbie Abel and today we're going to be painting this cute Valentine card. This is a simple card, very easy and quick to paint. So for this one, I want you to take a piece of paper and practice with your filbert brush. I'm using the smallest I have and we're just going to use the side of the brush. So we're going to use side, and then press. And for the bottom, we're just using the tip of the brush and you're just going to press on it. So practice these simple strokes, side, and then press. Just keep practicing until you're comfortable enough and then you can move to your card. But make sure you practice this first. It's really simple. Just use the side of your brush, side, and then press. Side, then press and press. So we're gonna start off by putting our heart. For this one, I'm using the lid of my jewelry box. You can use maybe a piece of paper, just cut a heart shape, and I'm using a gold, watercolor gold, and we're gonna do 2 lines for the heart. You can use 3 if you want, and you can use different color if you don't like gold. This is your card, you make it your own. So we're just gonna press on it and we're gonna be using this as a stencil. So I'm gonna make 2 lines and we're gonna start off by putting our flowers. For this one, I'm gonna be using my magenta, really light on the color, lots of water, not too much pigment. And then I got my magenta and a little bit of orange, and I'm making a coral color. And then the last one is from Winsor and Newton, and it's called powder pink, and it's a really beautiful, nice light pink, and it's kind of like a pastel color, very light. So remember, side, and then press. We're gonna put few flowers, about 4 flowers on each side, and then we're going to be adding our leaves. So remember, we're going to use the tip of the brush for the bottom part. So side, press. Again, side, press. And we're gonna move to this part up here, and I'm gonna be putting some yellow. I feel like it needed some pop of color. It was too much pink, so I'm just putting my cadmium yellow with a touch of yellow ochre. Very light on the color. Remember, this is the first layer. We want it nice and light, and then we're gonna build up the colors or the layers. Now we're going to a second layer. I added a little bit more magenta to my mix, and this is gonna give us more bright colors. We're adding in some areas. We don't want to cover the first layer, so make sure you skip some parts. We don't want to put the whole new color on top of all of what we have. Just remember, side, and then press. Using the side of your brush. And for this card, you can use mixed media if you want. You can add more details to your flowers. You can add the centers, or you can use crayons, whatever you like. This is your card. You make it your own, and you can add as much as detail as you want, or as little, as simple as this one. For the green, we're going to be using a light green, medium green, and a dark green. So for the greens, I have my sap green, I have my green gold, and then I have sap green with a little bit of ultramarine blue to make my darker green. And we're just gonna add it in a few places. You can add as many leaves as you want or as little as you want. We just want to make sure that it's a balance in the flowers and also the leaves. So it's gonna look more natural and more organic. I added some splatter to some areas, and now I'm putting the frame for my card. If you don't like it, you don't have to do this. You could skip it, Or if you don't like the color, you can put silver or pink, any color that you prefer. This is your card, you personalize it and you make it your own. But I just feel that the frame makes the whole painting come alive, and it's just make it pop even more. For the words, I just put simple Valentine, happy Valentine, and we're gonna add some more color. I feel that the flowers, they kind of faded a little bit, so I need some pop of pink. And remember the side of the brush, side, 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 press, press, press. Really simple strokes. That's why I said, please make sure you practice this on a piece of paper first, and then when you're more comfortable, then you move to the card, you start painting the card. So just simple, side, 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 press, press, press. Again, side, 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 and then press and press. And remember not to cover every single highlight that we have in it. Just add the darker color in some areas, just for a little bit more of the pop color. We're gonna go back to the heart because I kind of got lost in the middle. So we're adding this color just around to bring it back to life. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will really appreciate it. Make sure you give it a like. It will help this channel to grow bigger, and more people will be able to watch this video, and maybe they can learn something that they didn't know. Then that would be amazing. So we're doing the final touches. Again, if you want to use mixed media, please go ahead. You can add the centers of the flowers. You can add more texture to it. It's up to you. So we are done for now. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye, friends. Take care.